Hello student, we are discussing about atomic size of cation as well as anion. It is helpful for class 11, 8th to 12th. Now, which of the following ion is smallest in size? Cl negative, Br Na1 positive, Mg2 positive or S2 negative, S2 negative you can say. So first we will discuss about cations. Cation is more will be the positive charge and the cation smaller will be the size because nuclear pull will be more in this case. Okay, for example, in case of sodium and magnesium, we'll see here. So Na is having 11 proton and 10 electron. Mg2 positive is having 12 proton and 10 electron. Isoelectronic species, and that is why isoelectronic. I have compared here aluminium also. So all of in these three of them are isoelectronic with each other. Number of protons are increasing successively and size decreases because nuclear pull of aluminium 3 positive will be more. So it will attract shared pair of electron towards itself. So size will be decreases. At that moment, aluminium 3 positive is smallest in size as compared to Na positive and Mg2 positive. But here only they have given Na positive and Mg2 positive. So we will compare these two. So Mg2 positive is smaller in size as compared to Na1 positive. Now we go for the anion. Anion S2 negative and Cl negative. So here also sulfur is having atomic number 16, chlorine is having atomic number 17. Number of electrons are increased, and here number of electrons are also increased by 1, here increased by 2. So it will be bigger in size. So in case of anion, more will be the number of proton. Here number of proton more, so nuclear pull will be less as compared to this. Here 16 proton and 18 electron, so here least pull as compared to this. So what we will see that S2 negative ion is bigger in size than Cl negative. Less electron pull because of 16 proton, more electron pull because of 17 proton. Okay, so less electron pull means this size of S2 negative is larger in size as compared to Cl negative. Okay, group number 16, 17 you write on OS, Se, FClBr, and in this way we can see that as we go down to the group, sizes increases. But as we are going for this ions we are discussing about, so more will be the charge on the anion. I am talking about anion. More will be the charge on negative charge on the anion. It is having larger size, larger number of negative charge. Okay, and here the reverse of this is cation, larger charge on positive charge on cation, so smaller size. So just opposite to each other. Write it down everything. It is very